All right, let's get this strap off and see what we're working with here. You can see right here, this entire section is eaten through. Oh. I'm just gonna clear off some of this loose stuff so we can get a better look. All right. Engine checked, bodywork next. All right, straps off the rear wheel. Looks like we'll need to hit this rust pretty hard. Onto the front. Keep it steady, watch the wheel. Got it, looks good. This whole section is gone. Ugh. Heavy, but it's finally off.
This is heavy corrosion, requiring a complete panel replacement. I'll take a few more photos for the records, then start the careful removal process.
All right, let's get this ground cover down and take a look at the paint. All right, paper's secure. Let's get this closer to the beast.
All right, you got it. Just got to finish up on this side. Look at the extent of that rust.
Yeah, it's worse than we thought. We'll need to rebuild this section. All right, let's see these readings. Fluctuating a bit here. Now, give it a good wipe down. Thickest rust I've seen. Gotta get it all. Look at that, pitting all the way through. All right, plumb bob is centered. Mark the spot. Perfect. Now, measure this length and cross-reference with the diagram. All right, bolts here. Okay. Small parts, different bins. Good to go.
Got it. Careful with that.
Don't worry, the pan's steady. All right, together now, push. Yeah, it's breaking. Got it. All right, let's get this thing loose. Just need it to break free. Got it. Rust is no match for this. Okay, fuel line marked. Marked. Heater hose is next. All right, time for this piece. Easy now. There, just like that. Let's get this out of the way. All right, next step. All right, documenting removal. Screws are loose, just need to ease it out. Okay, got it. Now to get some shots of the rust underneath. The 250 GTO emblem goes here. Keep it organized. Copy that. Now onto the next bag. All right, time to tackle this window seal. That's better. Now for the rust. All right, easy does it. Got it. Looks pretty corroded.
Yeah, we'll need to rebuild this one.
Regulator's looking rusty, need to replace it. Grab the hardware bag, organizing the clamps and bolts, marking the bag as door left regulator.
All right, got these lines marked. Let's get this open. Ready when you are. All right, got to get this section out. There we go. Just need to clear the rest of this. All right, time to loosen this old pipe. Heat it up good. There, that should do it. Easy now. It's coming loose. Got it. All right, I've got it loose. Ready? Ready. Slow and steady. Got it. Now, lower it down. Easy. All right, watch the hinge. This bolt is a little tight. Got it. Slow and steady, lift together, and down. All right, let's take a look at this. Peeling back the headliner here. Just as I suspected, it's all dry. Wow, this floor pan is completely gone. I knew it was bad, but this is worse than I thought. All right, these brackets are detached and ready to go. Now, into the tray with the rest of the small parts. Well, that's worse than I thought. We'll need to cut this entire section out. Look at those holes. All right, let's get this handle off without scratching that polish. There, perfect. Put that in the display tray. Intake manifold labeled 1. Next is fuel rail. Wiring harness to distributor cap, number 3. All right, wheels off.
This rust is worse than I thought.
Need to get this column out carefully. Okay, here we go. Got it.
Watch out for the dust.
Yeah, it's a mess. All right, these screws are holding tight. Finally got it. Wow, more rust behind there. This is where the old metal was cut out. You can see the new welding, the repair, extending this far. Here.
I'm just taking a few quick reference photos of the seat and the dashboard here.
Looking good.
Then I'll label these parts so we know they're ready for the rebuild process.
Keep it steady.
Ooh.
Okay, clear the fender. Got it. All right, got it now? Yep, it's draining. Just a bit more. All right, careful with this one. Corrosion is pretty bad. Blue for the intake, red for the exhaust. Perfect. I'll disconnect this cable first. It's pretty corroded. Oh. Mark it so I know where it goes back. Oh. Now let's get rid of this green mess. All right, let's try some heat. Just need to get this thing moving. Hold tight, buddy. You can see where it's fused.
Love that.
This is the corrosion on the rubber boot right here.
Yeah.
We'll have to replace this entire section.
All right, time to tackle this caked on mess.
Whoa.
Need some degreaser on that. Just got to keep scrubbing, getting there.
All right, that should do it. Looks much better now.
Time to address these imperfections before the paint goes on. Let's smooth this out properly. Perfect. Ready for the next coat.
The chemical agent will aggressively react with the old paint and filler, causing them to bubble and lift, making them easier to remove.
All right, time to blast this rust away. Good. Let's make some progress. I think that's it. Perfect.
Glasnosnem bastum.
The final coat. Perfect. Time to let it cure. Found it.
Just there.
Yep, marking it now. Almost there, just a little more pressure. Perfect. Perfect, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Perfect alignment, just need to tighten these down.
Wow.
Nice and secure, looks great. I think this gasket is past saving.
Yeah, it looks shredded.
Here's the new piston, smooth as silk.
Nice.
Fits perfectly, good to go. Line it up, good, pass me the 13.
Got it, give it to me.
There, tighten this one first.
Got it. Just a few more cranks.
Perfect, that should do it. All right, locked in place. Let's get this tightened down. Perfect, solid as a rock. Line it up exactly. Get the bolts tight. It's looking good. All right, that carburetor's back in place. Let's get these bolts tightened up. Perfect, the engine is complete and gleaming. All right, these clips should hold the harnesses.
Got it.
Now the fuel line, watch that fitting. Secured. All right, easy does it.
Right, slowly now.
Perfect fit.
Looks great.
All right, just a little more. Perfect, that's not going anywhere. The pressure is holding steady at the cap, indicating a solid seal. All right, fill her up. Just right. All right, time for the test drive. She's humming. All right, time to stretch your legs.
Kind of saying like to do this from the view boom, then I would.
All right, perfect. Just a couple more turns.
All right, easy now.
Got it.
Push it in just a bit.
Looks good.
Yep, perfect. All right, just finishing up this chrome. Looking perfect, ready to go.